This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, April 17th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, some showers and thunderstorms over the lower Mississippi Valley down into the Gulf of Mexico. Another storm moving into the northwest and northern Rockies with some rain and mountain snow there. That'll be quickly moving our way later in the week. Watch warning map from around midnight last night. Quiet as a bell. Even though a bell is not really quiet, it could be loud when it's ringing, but all you see are some frost and freeze advisories over the Middle West. QPF chart. That does not look quiet. This is precip through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. The heaviest rain from the Gulf Coast up through the south and into the Carolinas, but around here, maybe a quarter to maybe 3/4 of an inch. So let's take a look at it. 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. Pretty zonal across the northern tier of the country with a few weak disturbances moving along it. And overhead today, it'll be a lot calmer. It won't be windy or as windy. Some southerly winds will begin to take hold. Temperatures, though, won't warm up a whole lot, up into the low to mid 60s. Wednesday, another disturbance comes through with a few showers. Could be an isolated rumble of thunder, but severe weather is not going to happen with this system. Temperatures still remaining in the low to mid 60s. Thursday, we have another disturbance. It's actually a different disturbance from the first one. Some more shower and maybe thunder shower chances there. And Friday, the system slowly begins to move away. Maybe by evening we can see some clearing. It will get cooler again. Temperatures will drop back into the 50s by the weekend as a big storm system comes out of the Gulf near New Orleans. But we'll be well to the north and west of it, so we'll be having a clear weekend for once. And even into Sunday, rainy and stormy over the east and southeast, and here it'll be mostly sunny and temperatures in the 60s as we get underneath a ridge. Still on Monday, still rainy on the southeast coast and through the mid-Atlantic. We're high and dry with most of the precipitation scattered at best to our north. And you can see that ridge here a week from today on the 24th be very distinctive over the center part of the country, a trough over New England, and another upper level feature off the southern California coast where some rainfall could be, and we could see a little bit of rainfall and shower activity in our area, but it'll be very light and scattered. A couple days later on the 28th, we have the ridge breaks down, and now we have a trough over the west and a slight ridge over the east. A disturbance coming through New Mexico, and that's going to kick off a low pressure in that area, and we could see some rainfall with some showers from another low over to our north and east, so could see some activity to end the month. Even then the next day, the low in New Mexico then moves up into northern Missouri, so we could see some shower and thunderstorm activity. Severe weather, it's still too far out to look at that. At the end of the forecast, May 2nd, trough over the east. A split flow over the west with another upper level low going into southern California and northern Baja. And we could have some backwash rain from a storm system that'll be to our east over to the Carolinas. But it's still way out there, and we could see another different look tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Wednesday.